Bhagat Singh was a prominent Indian revolutionary who played a key role in the independence movement against British colonial rule. Born in 1907, he became a symbol of courage and sacrifice for his involvement in acts of protest, and his eventual execution at a young age of 23. Singh's commitment to the cause and his writings continued to inspire generations in India. Bhagat Singh, a revolutionary freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh was a vocal atheist. He even wrote an essay titled "Why I Am an Atheist," where he outlined his views against religion. Bhagat Singh's essay titled "Why I Am an Atheist" is a powerful and thought-provoking piece that delves into his personal journey towards atheism. Written in 1930 while he was imprisoned, the essay addresses the misconception that his atheism stemmed from vanity. Rejects vanity as a cause. Singh clarifies that his atheism wasn't driven by pride, but rather by critical thinking and introspection. He emphasizes the difference between healthy pride in one's convictions and harmful vanity. Religious upbringing. He recounts his childhood upbringing in a religious household and his initial belief in God. However, with exposure to different philosophies and critical thinking, his beliefs started evolving. Influence of reason and logic. He emphasizes the role of reason and logic in shaping his views. He mentions being influenced by works like Common Sense by Nirulamba Swami, which challenged established beliefs. Bhagat Singh criticizes the misuse of religion to justify oppression and inequality. He argues for a society based on reason and human values, not blind faith. He highlights the importance of personal responsibility and self-reliance. He believes in facing challenges head-on without relying on the comfort of external belief systems. Bhagat Singh's essay offers a glimpse into his personal beliefs and the reasoning behind his atheism. It serves as a testament to his intellectual courage and commitment to rationality.